Cool. The only downside to recording is that I can't have music playing in the background. You can. I am masking off your truck right now. Careful. Yep.
So that's why I don't want to try it.
Well, when you jump on, you have to jump on with both feet at the same time.
I did, but I just followed. Oh. Dad, why are you putting tape on it?
Tape covers the things I don't want painted. It's gonna add black accents to your hood. Okay? Black racing stripes. Black again.
It looks nice when you do that. Dad, how did you make it that beautiful?
I just did.
Why are you doing that, Dad?
I want all this pink covered. Because I don't want the pink to get black paint on it. This I want to turn black. You'll see.
The blue?
No, this pink and this pink is going to be black. That's why I'm masking that area off. And the reason I'm covering everything else up is I don't want the rest of the pink to be painted black. Okay? Stay pink.
But are you going to take the tape off?
Eventually. This is the only thing I wanted to paint. See? So that's going to be black. Well, I've decided I'm not gonna bore you guys in this video with sanding and cleaning up these seats. Man, those tires turned out good though, didn't they? Look at that. For how yellowed they were and how rusty looking. I still need a little bit more scrubbing. Again, I'll do that off camera. But I'd say they turned out pretty dang nice.